I wanted to ask you what, has the word no, what role has that word played in your career? And how do you try and incorporate, that idea into your life, if at all?
I love that. That's so smart. I hope everyone's taking notes on that because that's such a smart thing that a lot of people I don't think are willing to embrace enough, right? To be rejected. Like I don't care. Like I ask for things. You need to be a front seat driver as opposed to a backseat passenger. Like I will ask for things because I have a mandate. Like I have a family to feed, so I have to go out and get after it. But then it gets easier to ask for things. And then it gets easier for people to say yes if you've built up, your career, right, to a certain point. It's like, okay, like this guy really, okay, we'll say yes to him on that, right? So I'm a big believer in acting like you belong, even, you know, if someone's starting out in their career or mid-career, like just act like you belong and the world will welcome you to the table with open arms, just, acting as if you belong and not being scared. But I think you have to be willing um, to get rejected. Like, I don't care, like I'm okay with that because like you said, it's just a scientific fact. You're going to get more yeses than nos, but we assume there's a no. So we're probably going to get no's if we're assuming no's. So let's assume positive outcomes here. It's assuming that those doors are opening. I'm a big believer in mindset. You and I could talk for 24 hours about mindset alone. Like that's all this is. Our success is dictated by what's between our ears. Like that's it. That's it. That's what we're attracting. I'm really become quite into manifesting things, things like that. So you get what you attract, right? If you're a negative thinker, you're going to attract a lot of negativity. You're positive, you're going to attract some positive stuff to your life. So big believer in rejection. I love it.